Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, a little rain, a little snow in parts of Connecticut for the rest of our Monday, and this is going to pale in comparison to the potential storm coming midweek. More on that in just a moment. You can see on early warning pinpoint Doppler, and this is an animation over the last 30 minutes showing some light rain moving throughout coastal and areas, say, southeast of I-84, but you hit 84 and hit areas northwest from there, still some snow, but this is all fairly light, and again, maybe some minor accumulation in the higher elevations of northwest Connecticut. Shall be tapering off as we head toward the evening commute time, and temperatures, they're not going to be moving much from what you see on the map now. We've got mid and upper 30s throughout much of the state. Now, there's a bit of a northerly component to the wind. It's not too terribly strong, in fact, calm in some spots, but when the wind is up, it's going to make it feel just a couple degrees chillier, but highs today likely in the mid to upper 30s. All right, cam view from New Haven showing certainly wet conditions there in the Elm City, but there are the flakes coming down from the northwest hills, so the visibility not great as the flakes are coming down there, but again, if we see any sort of accumulation, primarily on non-paved surfaces, and there's our iCam view from Hartford also showing a lot of cloud cover. So we're on the northern extent of a storm system that's going to pass by offshore as we head through the rest of today. So as it moves away, it's going to take the snow with it, and that's what we'll see on the big picture here. Then for tomorrow, high pressure is going to be building in. That's going to bring us some brighter weather for our Tuesday, but the dry conditions will be short-lived. So here is Futurecast. Again, I think winding down today's precipitation a little bit too quickly, but the general idea is as we head toward and through the evening commute, conditions will start to improve a bit. Then eventually tonight, as temperatures dropped on say secondary roads or perhaps bridges and overpasses, it could be little slick conditions there with some black ice potentially forming as temperatures drop into the 20s by early tomorrow morning. So any of that residual moisture that does not evaporate could lead to the slick travel in some spots. And then tomorrow there you can see ample sunshine as we run down Futurecast. So a bright, dry day on tap for tomorrow. Want to show you the different model scenarios for the impending storm midweek. We'll start you off at 7 o'clock Wednesday morning. This is the European model showing basically an overcast sky to start the day, but otherwise dry. And I think it's as we head toward and after sunset Wednesday that the snow begins to develop. There's the closed circle, the center of the storm coming off the Delmarva Peninsula, taking a track offshore, producing snow for us, heavy at times Wednesday night into Thursday morning. This particular model run lingers the snow longer as we head through Thursday afternoon to Thursday evening before tapering it off. Meanwhile, on the GFS, the American model, again, a cloudy start Wednesday morning, the snow arriving a little bit later, and this track taking a little bit farther course offshore, so that's going to mean perhaps some lighter snow. There could actually be a really sharp gradient from where we see a little snow to a lot of snow here somewhere in southern New England. So there's still a lot of uncertainty with regard to exactly where the storm tracks and therefore how much snow we could see. But given how cold it's going to be a light, fluffy snow. So that means we could see, certainly a plowable amount given what we're looking at right now. So again, the peak of the storm Wednesday night into Thursday looks like it's going to be primarily all snow, and the wind also, as that storm center passes by offshore, is going to increase that wind. Could get some gusts Wednesday night to Thursday, up to, if not over, 40 miles an hour. Beyond this storm system, and of course, we've had the alert on the 7-day for several days now, giving you that extra heads up that this system is going to be one of high impact for us. So, of course, with closings, delays, you want to have the Channel 3 app. It's a great resource, too. But as we close out the week, brighter weather, but it's going to be chilly. Look at those high temperatures, upper 20s, low 30s, and then for the upcoming weekend, temperatures moderate a bit. Saturday looks dry, then Sunday, can't rule out some rain or snow showers.